coming at you today with a video, and I know I've been gone for months. Doing some twin individuality stuff, which I know we guys owe you a couple of videos, but they're coming. I'm coming at you today with a video. I decided to try the Rocksbox. And Rocksbox is where you pay $21 a month. It's like a subscription service. So you pay $21 a month. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry. You decide what you want to keep, what you want to send back, and they take that $21 that you paid off of whatever you're gonna buy. If you buy anything, if you don't buy anything, you just pay them $21 to send you some jewelry. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I got. First, I've already worn these, but I got a pair of earrings. Let me see. So they are called the Sophie X Sterling Poppy Square Statement Studs, and this is what they look like. These are gorgeous. I had them on for days until I got some of these earrings for Christmas. But I'm definitely going to keep these earrings. I think they are gorgeous. They have like little tiny rhinestones or crystals. I'm not exactly sure what it is in there, and they are amazing. These are, even though they say statement, you can wear these every day. And sorry, I'm watching Romy and Michelle. I'm using my camera on my computer because I didn't feel like going through all that setup. And let's keep it moving. They came on a card that looks like this. Let's see if I can get it close enough for you to see. That's that. I'm probably going to put them back on the card so I won't lose them. Next up, and it's so cute that they come in, each thing comes in a little bag. It'll have like the designer's name on it, or it'll either have like Rocksbox on it. So the next is the Kendra Scott L earrings in rose quartz. And I really like these. I have not tried these on yet. I just think these are so cute. I haven't tried them on yet, but I might keep these. I don't know. I just think these are so cute. And these come in so many different colors. And I think I'm going to go back and look at those turquoise ones. So the Sophie X Pave Square Statement Studs were $51. The Kendra Scott earrings that I just showed you are $55. And remember, you get your $21 off of whatever you want to purchase. And if you purchase everything, you get the $21 off the total of everything. And my last piece is, and let me just say before I show you my last piece, you do get to go onto the Rocksbox website and they let you pick the items that you like, and they'll send you that. If you don't pick the items, they'll send you like a random assortment of, I have to take this off the card, a random assortment of jewelry, and then you see what you like from that. But I did pick quite a few things that I like, and they sent me 3 of those. So this last thing is called the Dusk Ophelia Pendant in silver. And this is what that looks like. I think that is so cute, even though I have this necklace on. I think it's like really delicate and cute. I might keep everything, I swear. I really like this subscription service, and let's just go ahead, take this off. We're going to go ahead and try on one of the Kendra Scott earrings, just because I want to see what it looks like on. And I know y'all don't mind seeing what it looks like on. And please forgive my junky room. This is just how I live every day. Okay, so that is what that earring looks like. It feels really light. It doesn't feel like it's tugging on my ear. I kind of like it. I don't know if I would wear these with my hair up. Probably if I had the twists on. Don't know. Maybe I will wear them with my hair up. Okay. Anyway, that's what that looks like. In the effort not to be too weird. Anyway, that was what I got from Rocksbox. I have to go in and make this decision. My total, if they take off the $21, this is for everything. If they take off the 21 bucks and that, which is my monthly credit, the forever credit of $5, and you get a discount of $10 if you buy everything, my total, I hope you can see that. My total would be $133. So I think it's worth trying out, even if you don't wind up buying anything or you suspend your subscription. I just think it's worth, let me put my earring back on. I think it's worth a try just to get some cute jewelry that you might not otherwise find. Again, that is Rocksbox, and their web address I will put on the screen, and it is www.rocks, like as in a rock, rocksbox.com, and I'll show it to you again. And just forget the slash on the back. Don't just, it's just the rocksbox.com. Don't do the rate thing. I just wanted to show you the actual address. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I am trying to start this new year with being more consistent with my own channel. Let me know, because I'm really kind of at a loss of what you guys want to see. Let me know what you want to see. I got a couple of new palettes. They're new to me. I got the sorry if I disappeared. I got the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So if you want to see a look with that, or swatches, or my opinion on this palette, let me know. I also got the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. Let me know if you want to see a look with that. I actually like both of these. They are in regular rotation. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.